Okay. The hinge side it's on a cinder block. The cinder block is slowly sagging that way, pulling up the gate, not letting it close. So now we got to fix it. Unscrew your tab, align this back up. It might be crooked, but you don't want to keep putting all kinds of holes, so it's going to have to be crooked.
Okay guys, we got the tab where it needs to be. That way the latch slides in easily, not where it was, where the latch was getting stuck. And now we need to drill the pilot hole out for the screw that holds the tab. I already did that, and then I tightened the tab with the screw to the cinder block. Now we need to bore out or drill out the cinder block behind the tab to match the hole on the tab. To do that, we use a masonry drill bit or use a masonry hammer drill bit if you have that. But you don't need it because the cinder block's really soft. So a regular drill bit and drill will work.
Take your hammer bit. Let's see if I could do this. Chop your bit in. We already got the hole already aligned where it needs to be. We re-drilled that hole, and now we just bore it out. Let's see if I could do this. Oh, great, look. I need a smaller bit. Okay guys, we got the smaller bit on now. Stick it in, raise it up, bore it out. Okay guys, got the smaller bit on now. Stick it in, raise it up, bore it out. Check that down. Let's see if our gate fits. The last goes in already. There you go, almost. Drill more, bore out a little more, it is. See if it fits. Where am I? There you have it, guys. Doors fixed. Repaired. Okay guys, so let's recap what we did, huh? I got a call. This door was hitting the top part here because this wall is starting to sag down, pulling the gate up. Okay. This was pulled out. So we took the old screw out. We got a screw that was a little bit bigger in gauge or diameter. Screwed it in. It expanded it. It worked perfectly. Now, then we aligned this back up. Right? Unscrewed it from the old hole. Moved it where it needed to be. Put a pilot hole, screwed it in, and then we bored out the hole here so it can fit. You could do it too. Go do it.